Hi, I will be unboxing Wavy's latest album, Awaken the World. The title track is Turn Back Time. The music video is awesome, the stages have been awesome. I've been loving all the content that have been releasing. So let's see, this is the Awaken version if I'm not wrong, which we shall see. Here we got the track list, Pad Alive, I like it a lot. I really like Domino as well, Only Human. And here we got all the members with all the codes. And let's look at the poster. Okay, let me see if I can show it like this. We got Sharon. How to turn it. There we go. Sorry. There we are. It's so big it doesn't fit. And we got the photo book and the CD plate. Put this aside. And we'll go through the photo book. Here we go. Habit again. I really like the concept, like the wanted concept type, with the tapes up here. Oh my god, Lucas. I think Lucas is my bias. I like all of them, but it might be Lucas, Kun, or Yang Yang, I would say. Ten is an amazing dancer though. From accent. And for the glare. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh my god. We got Henry. He looks so good here. And he says, "Stand by me." Which is really cute. So we got Henry's photo card. I don't do tradings. I appreciate every member of every group I stand, so I keep what I pull. I love it. I still remember when I got into K-pop and there were nothing like photo cards, so you got the album and that was it. Okay. Oh, we got Cole. He looks so good as well. I really like that they performed at the Korean music programs like M Countdown and all that, because we can get to see them perform the songs. And now with Corona and everything, I hope everyone is safe as well. Here in Spain it's getting better, but people do what they want, they do not wear masks and everything, and yeah. Let's not talk about that. Oh my god. I love this look. Also, 10, what are you doing, 10? Don't do that. Don't. As I've heard, like, Super M, I think, is going to have a comeback soon. I hope that 10 and Lucas can get some rest as well. We have the lyrics. I really like when the lyric books have some pictures in that. I don't like blank ones. Ten again. Oh, Lucas. Cool. Looks so cute. I thought Win-Win was a magnet when I first got into Wavy, but he's not, and I was really surprised about it. He's so cute. And here we have their thanks to. We got Lucas. We got Shoyun down here. We got Yan Yan. We have Win-Win. We have a Kun. I think he's the leader. We got 10. Okay, 10 wrote it all in English. That's really nice of him. And then we have Henry's one, a group shot, I think that's it.